name is Jeff, and I say, don't think, just dance, have a good time. I mean, the way things look, I doubt they'll last much longer anyway. I mean, we've had World War I, World War II, Korea, Vietnam, and then there was this Persian Gulf thing. I think we're about ready for a big one. Yeah. I mean, they killed John F. Kennedy, they killed Malcolm X, they killed Martin Luther King, and they killed Gandhi! I mean, hey! Who's left? That's everybody! At least everybody who's trying to stop all this madness. Isn't it strange how they managed to get rid of all the good guys? Well, that's the way of the world, and I don't want to be part of it. I mean, what's the point? When you stop and think about it, and I mean really think about it, you probably couldn't stop crying. So I say don't think about it. Just have a good time, but I still can. Because the bottom line is, it just doesn't matter.
My name is Michael, and I know things look bad, people, but we can find an answer, a way out of this mess that we got ourselves into. I mean, there is hope. We just gotta have faith. We gotta keep looking. Gotta keep trying. God is not dead. I mean, He hasn't left us alone. He promised. He promised He would never leave us alone. And I admit, things are pretty messed up right now. And I don't know what to do yet. But I do know that together we can find an answer. A way out of this mess that we got ourselves into. And I hear people talking. I know what they say. They say that it's too late. That the world is coming to an end. That we ought to give up. But we can't listen to that kind of stuff. We can't listen. We can ignore it, but we can't listen. We just can't listen. No!
Our world is in complete darkness. From every direction, all one can see is pain and suffering. How many more lives will be sacrificed? What is the answer to the cry of humanity? How can we work together to create a better world? The people of the earth gather together and leave behind their old ways of thinking and behaving. This vision of a better world will soon become reality, regardless of sex, culture, nationality, or race. We are all one. We are all human. Let us always remember this. We must recognize the boundless potential within every human being and see our world with new eyes. These eyes must see love and not hate, peace and not war, and must become mirrors, through which that which is in our hearts may be seen. And if we truly wish to put an end to human strife, we will work together for world peace, which is the next step in the evolution of our planet Earth. This vision of a world embracing peace is not only possible, but inevitable. It will come to be. It must if our world is to survive. We will. Be confident that if we work together, united with one common goal, peace and love, nothing will stand in our way. Become as waves of the sea, trees of the forest, growing with the utmost love, agreement, and unity. So powerful is the light of unity that it can illumine